In this video, we learn about different types of kidney diseases. This can vary widely, ranging from acute conditions to chronic disorders. Here are some common types of kidney diseases, along with precautions to take. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, refers to a gradual loss of kidney function over time. It is often caused by high blood pressure, diabetes, or genetic factors. To manage CKD, control blood sugar and blood pressure levels, follow a kidney-friendly diet that is low in sodium and protein, avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption, stay hydrated but not excessively, and have regular checkups with a healthcare provider to monitor kidney function. Acute kidney injury, AKI, is a sudden and rapid decrease in kidney function, often caused by infections, dehydration, or damage from medications or surgery. To prevent AKI, stay hydrated, especially in hot weather or after intense physical activity. Avoid using over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen and aspirin for long periods. Take medications only as prescribed and avoid self-medication. And monitor kidney function if undergoing surgery or dealing with serious illnesses. Polycystic kidney disease, PKD, is a genetic disorder where fluid-filled cysts form in the kidneys, potentially leading to kidney failure. For PKD, regular monitoring through ultrasound or other imaging techniques is important. Manage high blood pressure to reduce strain on the kidneys, maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and exercise, and consider genetic counseling for families, as it is hereditary. Glomerulonephritis is inflammation of the glomeruli, which can lead to kidney damage. It can result from infections, autoimmune diseases, or other conditions. To manage glomerulonephritis, promptly treat infections to avoid kidney complications, have regular kidney function tests for those at risk, and follow prescribed medications, especially immunosuppressive drugs. Nephrotic syndrome is a condition where the kidneys leak too much protein into the urine, causing swelling, high cholesterol, and other complications. To manage nephrotic syndrome, follow a low-sodium and low-fat diet, monitor protein intake, have regular blood tests to monitor kidney function and protein levels, and adhere to medications, particularly diuretics or corticosteroids. Kidney stones, or nephrolithiasis, are hard deposits of minerals and salts that form in the kidneys and can cause pain and obstruction. To prevent kidney stones, drink plenty of water, avoid high oxalate foods if prone to stones, limit intake of animal protein, and have regular checkups to detect stones early. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, can lead to kidney infections if bacteria spread to the kidneys. To prevent UTIs leading to kidney infections, drink plenty of fluids, practice good personal hygiene, avoid holding urine for extended periods, and seek medical attention promptly if symptoms of a UTI occur. General precautions for kidney health include maintaining a healthy diet that is balanced and kidney-friendly, engaging in regular exercise to help maintain healthy blood pressure and weight, ensuring proper hydration while consulting a doctor about the appropriate amount of fluid, and having regular checkups with periodic blood tests to check kidney function and urine tests to catch early signs of kidney problems. If you have a kidney condition or risk factors such as diabetes, hypertension, or a family history, it is crucial to manage your health with the help of a healthcare professional to prevent further complications.